In psychology, if you've ever seen someone who hesitates for a long time before sharing how they feel, and eventually all they can say is, "Sigh, I don't even know," they might be experiencing something called Alexithymia, a condition where a person struggles to identify and express emotions through words. This doesn't mean they don't have emotions. In fact, they feel deeply anger, sadness, affection, but their brain has difficulty translating those emotions into language. Imagine it like this. Inside you, there's a whole ocean of feelings, but the path that connects those emotions to words is blocked. You feel everything: frustration, pain, warmth, but when it's time to speak, no words come out. In the brain, there is a kind of neural bridge that links emotional processing areas like the limbic system with language centers such as Broca's area. For people with alexithymia, this bridge is weaker, making emotional expression incredibly challenging. That's why they might cry without knowing if it's from sadness or stress, or feel a tightness in their chest without a single word to explain why. And it doesn't just affect communication. Studies show that unexpressed emotions can also impact physical health. When feelings remain trapped inside, they may manifest as unexplained pain, digestive issues, or even heart-related symptoms, all connected to emotional tension that never found a way out. So if you've ever felt this way, know that you're not broken. You're simply learning how to rebuild that bridge, one feeling, one word at a time. If this sounds familiar, follow and share this with 3 friends who might need to hear it.